Everyone, how are you? YouTube has just rolled out its new beta feature which is called the YouTube Stories. It's kind of similar to the Instagram Stories where you can post the images, you can post the live videos, and you can even add the stories to kind of interact with your audience. And this feature is now included in the YouTube, but this is, as I have mentioned, that this is a beta release. It's not available for everybody. However, this has been rolled out to some established top big channels. So like in India, you have the Rikshawali, she has got it, Baby Wines, he has also got it, and there are some other like Harsh Agarwal, they have also got this feature. And you can find out YouTube stories when you will open the YouTube app. So in the YouTube app, some people see it at the top of the app on the top bar, and some people find it in the mid of the videos. So when you will scroll down the videos, you will find this tab or this stories option. When you will click it, then it would start playing. So this is a great feature to add with. And let me tell you, if you are not aware what is stories was initially added by the Snapchat, and it was a medium to interact with your audience through the images, through the videos. So where you are telling a story, though people don't actually tell the story, but they somehow do post some of their images and videos to let the people know what they are going through and what they liked or what they did on that particular day. That was the Snapchat who initially introduced it. Later on, the Facebook copied it to the Instagram, and Instagram thereafter it was copied to the Facebook and then WhatsApp, and now YouTube has also included this. So for the general public, it would be out for around 1 month or in a 2 month, but yet. And what is the criteria for this YouTube stories, who will get it? So it's not yet clear, but the moment it would be clear, I would let you know. So till then, keep waiting and keep watching. And if you have got this story tab, please do let me know in the comment section how is your experience and how these are different from the Instagram stories. So thank you so much. Bye bye. See you in the next episode.